What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different from t-shirts. I'm actually going to be showing you another way that you can make money. I'm going to use the large logo, but I'm going to be printing on a microfiber towel, and I'm going to use a DTF transfer from Ninja Transfers. I actually lowered my heat down to 290 for 12 seconds. So you can get these towels anywhere on Amazon. And like I said, you could print on these for your house, offer them to customers, and it's just another easy way that you could just print on stuff with your heat press. There's tons of different things that you could print on with a heat press, which is why I put a lot of these videos out. I try to pretty much do everything I can with a heat press, because that way then you could offer it and say, yeah, well, I could print that. If they're like, oh, I'll get my shirts from you, but I also got to get this, or I got to get bags or something, and you could offer it. And that's just, you know, how I do things. So I'm going to show you how I print this on there. I'm just using the 15x15 heat press, and I'm using Ninja Transfers. I'm just using one of my old DTF transfers from one of my orders, and I'm going to print that onto the microfiber towel just to show you guys how I do it. Alright guys, so I got it lined up with the camera so you guys could see it. This is just a regular microfiber towel. Keep saying that wrong. I'm still going to do the same thing. I'm still going to lint roll it, give it a pre-press. And I just lowered my temperature for this. I'm going to use parchment paper over it. Plus I have my top platen covered. It's at 249. I'm just going to give it a pre-press now. I'll wait till it heats up a little bit more. And I'll give it another pre-press to get these creases out of it. There's just tons of things that you guys could do with your heat presses. You don't have to start a business. You could just buy a heat press and just print things from home. Print on your own bags. Just print hats, print whatever. And you know that you don't have to start a business. You could just do it for friends or family, or even just for yourself as a crafting hobby or whatever. Like I always say in the other videos, if you're just starting off, I'd probably start off with an Amazon heat press. Try it out to see if you like it. I'm going to wait for this heat press to heat up, and then I'm going to get right back into it. Alright guys, so we're up to temp here. So I'm going to give this another pre-press. Alright. Just going to line my transfer up here. Like I said, this is just to show you guys. I'm going to peel it cold. I'm still going to put parchment paper over it just to protect it. And I'm doing heavy to medium pressure on it. Just let it go for 12 seconds. I always let it go like a second or two longer. That's just what I prefer to do. Alright, I'm going to let that cool down, and then I'm going to peel it off. Alright guys, I'm going to give that a cold peel. I'm going to start from the big side here, and then I'm just going to peel it fast. Just like that. Nothing left on the transfer. Now I'm going to hit it with a second press for a couple seconds, just to sink it in. Using my parchment paper. I'll hold this up for you guys at the end. I'm not even going to go the full 12 seconds. I'm going about 6 seconds. So I can push it into the towel. I'll hold this up for you guys at the end. Alright guys, that was just a quick video for you. So I just want to show you. And it literally, when I put heavy pressure on it, it sunk it right into the towel where it has the lines of the towel and everything like that. This is just another way I'm showing you that you could utilize your heat press. You could do, you know, towels for your business. Even if you just got your own business and you want to do your own promo stuff, you could get a little heat press if you're a detailing business or something. Put your logo on some towels, just so it just gives your, you know, your brand name out there. But you don't just have to use a heat press for t-shirts and things like that. Off camera, I use these things for tons of stuff. I just literally try out everything I possibly can with, you know, DTF transfers, plastisol transfers, all the new transfers out there that are the digital, everything like that. I test everything even behind scenes just to try it out for myself. And just so I could print on other things that I want. I've printed on bags, I've printed on all types of stuff that, you know, just for my own personal use. So that was just a quick video for you guys. I hope to help anybody out there. Go out and grab yourself one of these microfiber towels and try it out for yourself. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to keep coming out with some more of this content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.